welcome back to my channel. If you want to see my new videos every week, just hit the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. For today, I'm gonna show you guys my hair routine. I really use every product from Garnier. The Love Blends from Garnier, they are from Honey, and I really like those because I have tried so many things in my hair and I didn't like them. If you guys want to see my hair routine, just keep watching. So I just washed my hair. I just came out of the shower. I washed my hair with the shampoo from Garnier. I also use their conditioner and their hair mask. Normally, when I wash my hair, I leave the conditioner in my hair and also the mask. I do it because I think it works better for my hair. So, let me show you guys. I don't like to use a hairbrush because I think it's gonna break my hair. So I really like to use my fingers. I run my fingers through my hair. And we're gonna start with this little part in the back. I'm gonna use the hair mask. I'm gonna use just a little bit and I'm gonna run it through my hair. In every section. Also use their cream from Love Blends. Yes. Gonna pick the other part and I'm gonna do the same. And run my fingers through my hair to keep my curls defined. So now I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And I run my fingers through my hair to remove every knot. I'm also gonna use my hair cream. And this product smells really good. So now that I have sectioned my hair and put the cream and the mask in my hair, the last thing I use is the oil. I use the Atos Oil and Care Serum. My hair really gets dry here, so I like to use the oil. When I was in Curacao, I didn't use oil in my hair, but now I think it's very good for my hair. So if you guys want to use oil, you can use the one you like, but I like this one from Atos. I just put 2 pumps in my hand and I run it through my hair. I like to put it through my ends because there is where my hair really gets dry. So I like to put a little bit more to my ends. What I also like to do is to turn my hat over like this and to put my hands in my curls to define them. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry and I'm gonna be right back. It has been a whole day and my hair is now completely dried up. So this is what my hair looks like when it's fully dried with the products in it. I told you guys it would shrink and my hair is shrinking so much. This is the real length of my hair, but my hair shrinks so much, but I love it like this. I really love the puffy hairstyle. And the last things I do with my hair, I use this to make volume. I just put it in my hair. I just do this to make my hair a little bit puffier. Last but not least, I use this gel in my hair. Some people don't really like to use gel, but I lay down my edges with gel. I'm gonna show you guys how. With this one, I put a little bit of gel on my hand and I just go like this. You are really not gonna see my edges, but I like to do my edges. And that's really it for my curly hair routine. I do this really once a week, but if I need to go out and I don't feel like my hair is great, I do it again. But this usually takes like 1 day for my hair to really dry up so it can look this puffy. I don't recommend people with a hair like me to wash your hair like 2-3 times a week. Only once a week, it's okay. My hair, it takes like 4 days like this, and then I put it in a high ponytail, and then when it gets really messy, I turn it into a bun. I have a little surprise for you guys. I'm giving away a full set of the Garnier Love Blends Honey for one lucky winner. So you guys could tell me how it is going with your hair type. This product is bomb.com, and that's why I need to hook you guys up with it. If you want to win these hair products, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. So guys, this was it for today, my hair tutorial. It's easy and I want you guys to try it also. For those that say that they don't like their natural hair, they don't know what they can do with their natural hair, it's easy. See you guys in my next video.